everybody, I'm Raksha. So today we are going to see the full video of how to operate the Excel. So we are going to see that. It's so easy also, and don't skip the video, otherwise you will miss out how to do it. So by step we are going to see slowly. So let me get into the video. Guys, we have entered into the Excel. So first of all, I'll just choose a column. So first here I wanted to write here as seller number, seller number, and here name. Here I used to give the subject English, science, social, computer, and here I used to give maths. So now the serial number I used to give now number 1, and here number 2, number 3. So now the name I used to give it is Shushini, and next I used to give is Sneha, and next I used to give Deepika. So now I'll be giving marks. So after entering the marks, you will be getting like this, and here I used to give now as total, and here maximum. I used to give maximum, minimum, and now we are going to do the total. So total is very easy. Go to total section, and now go to number section. Give is equals to sum of, we will give in bracket D10. Okay, yeah, D10. I used to give now D10. So I'll be giving like this. I'll give OK. So the answer is ready now. The same formula I'll be giving here. Sum bracket D11. Okay, next I'll be giving the same is equals to sum bracket D12. So I'll be giving it. So I'm going to do the maximum. For maximum, the same formula is equals to maximum bracket D bracket is D10. So the same D10. So we don't want to share the total also because it's waste of time. So I'll just give OK. So 99 maximum. Next I used to give the is equals to max and maximum bracket D11. Yeah, sorry, yeah, now it's fine. 90, and again is equals to max, and now the same bracket D12. So we got, I'll give OK. So now we are ready with the maximum. Now we'll go to the minimum. The same formula we are going to give. We are going to give the same is equals to minimum bracket D10. Okay, minimum. So next same formula is equals to where is the minimum bracket D11. So yeah, okay, and next I'll be giving is equals to minimum bracket D12. Yes, we got it. So now we have done the minimum. So now we are going to do the percentage. So percentage we are going to do it as, so here, like 1 minute I'll show you. So you want to show, like you want to make some clear, like some design and all, like bold letter. So first I'll show you how to do it. So make sure you have to do like this, and now bold letter with italic look. So I hope you will remember this. So next here I'll be giving the percentage. So I'll be giving now the percentage. So we have the percentage here. So how to make percentage? There is no formula like is equals to like one or. So first we'll go through the subject. One, how much subject are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 subject are there. So when we multiply with 100, we are going to get 500. So here I'll be giving. Now first we have to do it with the help of is equals to, and let me take total. Okay, total 401. Then I could take, it has into like where I have to multiply it, or I can just go through with the percentage like this. So you can see here, no? Is 462, sorry 2. So there are 5 subjects, and 5 subject into 100, so we'll be getting 500. So let me do 500 is equals to, we got it as 92%, so it's very good. Choose these marks. Next there same formula we are going to do it. So is equals to the mark, the total marks Sneha got 401 divided by the 500 is equals to, so you'll be getting like this. So why you'll be getting like this? For this you'll be getting in here, you can see percentage, click that 80% she got, Sneha got, so good. So here I'll be doing is equals to the total 447, and the 2 divided by 5 is equals to, you'll be getting 0, so 0 point some. So now again I'll give as percentage. So yeah, we have done. And now here I like to give, it has GRAT grade 7, so it's very good to see also. So I like to get it into the middle, like this you'll be getting it. I'll show you. And now we are ready with our our marks. So I hope you have enjoyed. And now in the cello number, how you can make it the number center. So you can see here a number section. So here when you click, you'll be getting it in center, and the names also you will be getting it center wise, as like this. So every number I can get in center also. So yeah guys, I hope you all have enjoyed it well, and thank you so much for watching my video. So keep watching. Hey guys, I hope you all have enjoyed the video, and this is the time to like my video. If you like the video, just give a thumbs up, and if you want to say some suggestion or some appreciation, anything, please say in the comment box so I can view that clearly. And subscribe to my channel for my every update, and click the bell button as all, because whenever I'll post some video, you'll be getting it. So I hope guys you will be supporting me. So thank you so much for watching this video, and like, share, subscribe to my channel, and if you feel this is helpful to someone, please share the video. So wait for my video. Till then, bye bye, take care.